my good morning teacher and good morning my dear friends. My name is Arshika Jain. I'm 5 years old. My school name is Rahul International School. I'm or I'm my class grade 1A. My poem name is Oh Mother Earth. Oh Mother Earth. Oh Mother Earth. Oh Mother Nature. You have blessed the light. When I looked up and down, I see wonders around. The mountain so high, the ocean so deep. I see wonders around. The desert so brown, the jungle so green. I see wonders around. Oh Mother Earth, oh Mother Nature, we won't let you cry. We all your babies, we love you so much. We won't let you cry. We won't use plastic. We won't do pollution. We won't let you cry.